Does Monzo only work in the UK? Script. Hook. Have you ever been traveling abroad and wished you had a bank account that could keep up with you? Or maybe you're looking for a new bank account that offers more than just the basics. If so, then you might be interested in Monzo. But before you sign up, you might be wondering, does Monzo only work in the UK? Context. Monzo is a relatively new bank that has quickly gained popularity in the UK. It offers a variety of features that are not typically found in traditional banks, such as a mobile-only app, no overdraft fees, free international spending, instant notifications of transactions, a variety of budgeting and saving tools. Because of these features, Monzo is a great option for people who are looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. However, one of the biggest questions that people have about Monzo is whether or not it works outside of the UK. Answer. The short answer is no, Monzo does not currently work outside of the UK. However, the good news is that Monzo is working on expanding its services to other countries. In fact, Monzo has already announced that it is planning to launch in the United States in 2025. So, if you're interested in using Monzo outside of the UK, you'll need to wait a bit longer. But once Monzo does launch in other countries, it will be a great option for people who are looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. Additional information. In addition to the information above, here are some other things you should know about Monzo. Monzo is a fully licensed bank, so your money is safe. Monzo offers a variety of different accounts, including current accounts, joint accounts, and business accounts. Monzo has a good reputation for customer service. Conclusion. If you're looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience, then Monzo is a great option. However, you should be aware that Monzo does not currently work outside of the UK. If you're interested in using Monzo outside of the UK, you'll need to wait until Monzo launches in other countries. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy banking. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, please click on the link below. Additional tips. You can also learn more about Monzo by reading reviews online. You can also contact Monzo directly to ask them any questions you have. I hope this helps. Note: this script is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice.